Hi, Krappies, hope you guys are well.
Alright.
Dion, just a question for you, Dion. Just with Evan Itzebeth and also Lloyd back as well, how important is it to have those guys back, and especially for your lineouts, your department? Could you just touch on that, please? Thanks.
Thanks. Good afternoon. Yeah, thanks for the question. No, obviously, it's fantastic to have Eben and Luet back, and also the other players that were injured or haven't played in a while. Sia, we've got Sasha back, all of those guys. So it's fantastic to see them again wearing the green and gold and play the game. Yes, from a set piece perspective, all we know they're experienced guys, they mean a lot. We hope that they find their feet quite well. We had a very good build up towards this game in our camp week, and now it's a fantastic opportunity for them to play, which is important as we build up towards the rest of the season.